thinking about, let me know. If you're thinking about, let me know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it's your first time here, today we're going to be creating the spring inspired look. It's definitely a very bold look, bold lip, bold eyes. I was inspired by this look when I stumbled upon this editorial picture on Google. I will try to find the picture and just link it down below, or just put it by the video so you can see the look I tried to recreate. It's a very bold look like I mentioned, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into doing the eyes. I'm gonna start off by prepping the eyelids. I'm using concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Because this is going to be a winged eyeshadow, I'm going to come slightly in the outer part like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to just blend that out. Alright, I'm going to be using the Morphe Bold Smooth palette. And this is the color I'm going to be using for that bright pink. And I'm going to start off by trying to warm up the transition area. So I'll just use this warm brown color for that. So what this color does is that it gives us depth in the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more concealer on the lids because I want the eyeshadow to really sit. And while I do that, I cut the crease. Just like that. I'm using a Morphe S4 flat brush to do that. And I'm just using the tip of the brush to get that angle, the wing part. That's it. And if you want to use a brush while you cut your crease, go for it. I just like using the brush that this concealer has because it's easy. I'm able to squeeze out the product while I cut the crease, so I always prefer to use this, but if you want to use a brush, go for it. And I don't want the crease to be too defined, which is why I guess I use this thing on the little brush on the concealer. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the color too. This is a very editorial look, guys. It's definitely different. So I'm noticing that this eye has the wing going all the way up to here, so I'm going to try to match that on this eye. I'm going to add a little bit of more concealer so it can hold the colors. Put the brush down. So I'm just blending this part out like this. And I'm not gonna blend too much because I don't want it to look smoky. And then that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara, and then I will apply lashes. Alright guys, I have the lashes on, so now I'm going to go ahead and just finish up the makeup look. I'm going to go ahead and set the entire look with powder. Can't find my powder. I'm going to set the contour using the ABH bronze powder in the shade Mahogany. I'm going to apply blush. I'm using Raisin by MAC. I'm going to use a fan brush to highlight. I'm going to apply mascara in the lower lashes. For lipstick, I'm going to apply Morange by MAC. It's this bright orange lip color. Because it's super bold, I'm going to apply a brown pencil because I don't want to walk around looking like this. To finish up the look, I'm going to set it with the MAC Charged Water Chocolate Spray. I'm going to go ahead and put some thick moles. I usually use an eyeliner, but I think I misplaced my eyeliner, so I'm just going to use a small brush and just go into my mascara and apply that. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I always wanted to do something outside my comfort zone. This is definitely something that's outside my comfort zone, doing bold colors like this. It's very festive if you're looking for an eyeshadow idea or a makeup idea for a festive event that you're going for. This could be an inspirational look to attempt to try. So I hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.